All right, the following is to show you the school management system as a parent. So just go to ciaschool.com, go to our school management system right on top left, log in with your username. This is obviously a fake account. You will have the dashboard first. This is your dashboard right here. You'll be able to see the news and events that are happening in the school. Calendar view at the bottom. Most important thing, I will show you two different things here. When you go inside as students, you'll see the student that's allocated to me as a parent. Right now I just chose Rocco, who's in grade 1. If I go here to operations, I have two things, attendance or mark sheet. Right now, mark sheet is what we're looking into. If I click on mark sheet, I can see his last math quiz. He got 96, so grade A. And comment from the teacher, great job, Rocco. You really put in the work this week. So I'm happy with that. I can also look at assignments. Right here, assignments, Rocco needs to finish his math sheet at home. So that's great. I know that that's what he needs to do, and the assignment deadline is going to be right here. Let me just show you here messages. I want to send a message to the teacher. So in this case, I'll just go search user. And right here, it's the first time we're sending a message to Miss Meyer, who's his teacher. So I'm going to write here, I'll write, thank you for your work with Rocco this week. Let me know if anything else can be done at home. And I'll send the message. And it is exactly just like a chat box or a chat room. So basically, you're right here, the reply is going to be right here, and you can go back and forth replying and going that way. If you need to change, right here on the top left, if you need to change anything that has to do with your account, I can go into account settings, change your profile, either a phone number, an address. If you want to change your password, put in your old, put in a new password. Same thing with email address. And yeah, we hope you like it. This is the first introduction to this new system, and we'll be implementing new things in the near future, but right now, for now, this is what we have, and teachers will be starting using it as of next week. So thank you.